Good morning, everybody. Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. Hey, Timber. Hey, say hi. Okay, she's out here. Got a big Nissan. So, as I've said in my previous videos, today we're going to put a ceramic coating on this car. But I'm going to try to get down close here. Really lot of contamination on the paint, but we got some scratches here, down here, just little things, nothing major. But as we can see, hopefully I'm not blinding you here, you can see all these car wash swirls here from taking it to the car wash. So we're gonna clay bar it first, then we're gonna polish it out, and we'll do step by step how I put a ceramic on this. Be right back. So I had a comment in my last video of show the process. So I'm just gonna prime my mitt here on the headlight. So usually when I start, I'll take and I'll prime the clay mitt on the windshield. Okay, then I'm gonna use straight lines and then go until I feel the paint smooth. And it doesn't take a lot, you know, you're not using, it's not sandpaper. It really, that clay in the mitt just really lifts it off. You're gonna go through a couple times, 4 or 5 swipes, and then you'll feel it clear. But this is an important process to eliminate as much contamination on that paint as you can before you polish. So otherwise you're just going to polish it in the paint. Now what I did was I used the Griot's Garage clay mitt and the Griot's Garage over there surface wash, and that's what I do to use as a lubricant for my clay. Alright, more to come, step by step. Alright, I'm back real quick. I just clay barred the entire car, but I wanted to show everybody after I sprayed it down. See how the water is just one continuous sheet on the car? I mean, there is no protection, no sealant, no wax, absolutely nothing on this car to protect it. This is why the customer came to me and said, hey, you know, they travel up north a lot, gets a lot of bugs on the front end. I go, a ceramic is going to put a 2-year protection on this paint and make it super hydrophobic. As you can see, even on the sides, nothing there. All right, we'll be back. All right, so Griot's Garage Polisher, Griot's Garage Boss System, Perfecting Cream for refining and enhancing gloss. Okay, so this one here, use a yellow pad, shake well. So what this is going to do is it's going to get off your minor swirls, minor oxidation, get the paint nice and clean. Okay, so when we start, shake this down, we're going to butter the pad. Okay, now I'm not going to go crazy, but I want to get a decent amount of product on here so that it's okay. And from here I'm going to take my detail spray. One of them I use in heat especially is Speed Shine. Some of the others really flash bad, so I'm just gonna mist it. So this is a a mister I get at the hair salon supply store. So I just gave it one quick mist. Okay. Something on there. Now I'm going to do 4 pea-sized drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Tap it on my area. Make sure I'm on number 1. Start it up. Turn it up. About 3.5. So, as you can see, I made about 3 passes, 3.5, 4 passes. These wax removing towels are awesome. I get these from Grail's Garage as well. Not that I'm plugging them, but I use a lot of their products. Got a rough end and a soft end. So if there's any heavier scratches in the paint as I'm going through, then I will grab another DA with another, most likely Manzurna 400 and a more aggressive pad, and then knock those scratches out. If the yellow pad is pretty aggressive already, if that works, then I just continue on. But as you can see here, it got some water spots off. The paint looks real nice. So looks like I might have, yep, I got a little scratch right there. So I'm gonna try to eliminate that real quick. Let's see if we can get it with this perfecting cream. Otherwise, we'll have to get a little more arsenal out in the background here. So let's get a couple pea-sized drops. Turn it back down to 1. Okay, now I'm going to turn this up, work this edge. So just for you beginners out there, I put 4 little notches on the end so I can make sure that my my DA is spinning properly. All right, let's see what we got here. Now, a lot of you would say, oh wow, man, that looks great. No, not me. My name of my business is called Attention to Detail. So even though the customer may never notice that little scratch there, I do. So I'm gonna go take it out We'll be back. Okay, so I got my Menzerna heavy cut compound. What's nice about the 400 scratch removal, gloss finish in one step. So I can use a heavier pad like a microfiber or even a wool. I can remove the scratches, change the pad to an orange, and then polish it out. It's simple. So shake up your product. Timber's just chilling. Okay, here's a Griot's Garage 3-inch detailer. And get a little bit of product on there. Shut that cap. Nice little mist. Okay. Turn this down so as we can see, hopefully we can see. We got the right angle here. We got a little scratch here. Lock it in. Turn it up. Now, how long did that take? Don't see it. Very, 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 very faint. You have to get a magnifying glass out now. So, quick, easy steps, people. I'm gonna go through the entire car now. You can see little spots. Do the car and we'll be back and show you how to do the ceramic. All right, I'm back. I have the Simoniz diamond plate ceramic polymer paint coating. The hood was heavily scratched, so I went over it twice. It still has some minor scratches in it, but I don't want to take off a lot of clear coat. This ceramic bonds to the clear coat. Personal protective equipment. Okay. I'm just going to use my applicator sponge here, and I'm going to wet it down. I'm going to go 50% over. Make sure I'm covering it even. You can see how it just is making it look super black. Now I have the car on the inside. It is hot, but it's not super hot. So it's not going to take a long time. It'll start flashing. You'll see it right here. I'm going to try to do a couple different areas here. It'll start flashing like alcohol's drying. And at that point, once you see that, then you can start buffing it out and leveling it off. So I'm just going to go over it here with my microfiber that came with the kit. Whoop. It's already too slippery. So I'll continue the process through the whole car. That's how you apply ceramic coating. So a long process. It's gonna make the paint super dark. You can't see it too much here in the garage. When we bring it out to light, we'll do an after. Be right back. All right, here's an after look of the Simoniz diamond plate ceramic coating on top of a 2017 Nissan Armada. Had to do a lot of heavy polishing. We'll take a look at the inside. But as you can see, the shine on it is just incredible. You know, it states on the package 10% more shine. It is shiny. Hopefully that was informative to you. You learned a little bit about ceramic coatings. That is a real ceramic coating. That is not a spray-on SiO2 spray. It takes a long time. Any other detailed questions, shoot me an email at detailinginttempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Be safe.